One of the most important topics to discuss is insulation. A well-insulated and well-designed home provides year-round comfort, cutting cooling and heating bills in half. The insulation acts as a barrier to heat flow and is essential in keeping your home warm in winter and cool in summer. By using the passive design techniques as discussed in conjunction with insulation, a highly energy efficient home can be achieved. The climatic conditions and type of construction influence the appropriate level and type of insulation required for your project. It is important to be aware of the two main categories of insulation being bulk and reflected. Bulk insulation mainly resists the transfer of conducted and convected heat, relying on pockets of trapped air within its structure. Reflective insulation mainly resists the radiant heat flow to ensure its high reflectivity and low emissivity. It relies on the presence of air layers of at least 25 mL next to the shiny surface. To help determine the insulation types and levels required for us to achieve the high star rating we were hoping for, an energy efficiency consultant would be required. We have worked with many in Western Australia, but the one we highly recommend is Sustainability WA, who we use on all our projects. So it was only natural to bring their expertise into this project when it came to designing an energy efficiency home. During the design process, their advice was sought to identify any issues, and a preliminary assessment was done to identify an initial rating of 8.5 stars. The recommendations presented in the report to reach this star rating were discussed with some local builders in regards to pricing options and maintaining our initial budget. The initial rating is an important part in designing a sustainable home and can give unprecedented advice on design options to save the client money in the long run by incorporating them at an early stage. Traditionally, this rating is done last with the other consultants, and by the stage of the project it can be expensive or difficult to implement these options.